In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're experiencing no sound coming out of your Acer laptop on your laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be check down in your system tray and make sure the audio is turned up. And if you're using external speakers, make sure they're turned on and turned up as well. And then you can open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best results, you're going to go back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the audio troubleshooter and the run button. And then once it's run, hopefully it'll detect common issues on your computer. And that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.